is flow induced vibration?
I'm not sure.
I've got no idea.
Fiv is clean energy, but if no one knows what it is, how can it save the world? We are Team Fivinator, here to spread the word of Fiv. Think of a cylinder flowing in air or water. The liquid or gas passes the cylinder, it creates a trailing vortex. This makes a pressure difference, causing the cylinder to vibrate back and forth. Energy is harnessed by attaching a linear or piezoelectric generator. Fiv is all around you, it's inside us all. We met with Dr. Justin to understand the limitations of Fiv. Over the last few weeks we've had loads of great ideas. Here's some of the better ones. If you stick a red LED in a fishing lure, you catch more fish. Why not power it with Fiv? A light installation that floats in the river, Fiv powers it. The lights change colour and intensity depending on the water current. The right bath temperature for small children is super important, but not always easy. Fiv could power a temperature sensor. Power to the makers. Let people use the Fiv module to create their wildest dreams. What about an underwater sculpture park for snorkeling and scuba diving? We haven't met anyone outside of Design Factory who knows what Fiv is. Our mission is to educate people about Fiv. But what's the best way to do that? An underwater theme park is crazy, and crazy ideas spread. It worked in Mexico. It's called the Underwater Museum. Over 500 sculptures form an artificial reef. It's recognizable worldwide, receives 750,000 visitors a year. What if we made a Fiv-powered one in Melbourne? So before we got wet, we asked people to experience the park using a small Lego model. Each interaction demonstrates a different aspect of Fiv. At the end is a treasure chest that takes your photo and uploads it to Instagram. Our guinea pigs had heaps of fun.
Quite cool. I would definitely tell my friends about it.
So, does it work? We made more prototypes. The first one was lacking in Fiviness. Cable ties are too rigid. This one was nice and bendy, but the pipe cleaners were too close together. Number 3 was pretty sweet. Number 4 worked well too. We made a bigger one and took it to the swimming pool for some user testing. It worked well. This prototype used small straws. It was more obvious that Fiv was doing its thing. This is the smallest thing someone could swim through. Let's create Fiv-powered sculptures under the bay. The Yarra River once weaved all the way to Port Phillip Heads before flooding and forming the bay. The Boer and Warrung people tell the Aboriginal Dreamtime story, The Time of Chaos. 2 boys were playing with toy spears, accidentally upsetting a magic wooden water trough. It spilt, threatening to drown the people, until Bunjil, the creator of the world, told the water to go no further, creating the bay. This story is told along the Indigenous Bayside Trail stretching from Brighton to Beaumaris. Let's continue the trail under the bay. This is the Chaos Gallery. It's filled with sculptures of kangaroos, yam daisies and emus that once lived on the grassy plain. The sculptures light up spectacularly, powered by Fiv. It will be near Brighton Beach, 3 to 6 metres deep. Fiv is a renewable energy source. We need to change the way we generate energy to stop global warming and sea level rising, or the chaos of history will repeat itself. Chaos Gallery will teach people about Fiv and be accessible from the beach. We asked 39 people if they would visit an underwater sculpture park. 34 said yes. Local dive operators said it would be great to have another easily accessible dive site. Dr. Ryan Jopp said it is crazy ideas like this that draw in international tourists. We need your help to make Chaos Gallery real. Come with us and make the future